up, guys? I'm here with my 40-year-old bike just to show you guys how it's withheld the test of time. This is a 1983 Honda Nighthawk that I've had for a little bit less than a year, but overall it's still in really good condition. I fixed some stuff on it, well, mostly cosmetic stuff, but other than that, the bike has held up pretty good. Did a little bit of paint correction on the gas tank, changed the seat, the leather seat, a little bit of paint on the plastic, removed black spray paint it had all over the chrome. But other than that, the bike, it's held up good. It drives good. Put this little piece of tape here just to make it look a little cool, give some personality. Alright, let's see how she sounds, guys. Starts right up. Sounds good. The throttle reacts good. Test drive on it. See how she rides. You guys can see the motorcycle actually it rode pretty good for its age. It rides really well. But I just wanted to show you guys this is what the motorcycle looked like when I first got it. You could see the paint wasn't too good, the seat wasn't doing too good. You could see all the black paint on the exhaust. I don't know, it made it look ugly. It wasn't taken care of, but put some love into it, and this is what we got her looking like now.